Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. This is my own cat Shanty. And you know what? I always do a better job when I'm doing my own cat because I know the cat, so I can put the personality and emotion into it better. She's my lovely rescue baby. She's been with me for just over a year. And I called her Chonky in the title, but it's really just fluff. So I'm always kind of making shapes bigger or smaller, correcting as I go, and just kind of feeling my way through the drawing. Just kind of eyeballing proportions and making sure things look right. But I don't worry about it being perfect. Because as soon as you start worrying about it being perfect and getting everything exactly right, that's when you start to lose that beautiful impressionistic look. There's nothing like the first attempt in drawing. And we'll just kind of darken up some of the lines that I want to keep and allow the other extra lines to fade away into background tone. Movement lines, whatever you want to call them. And get some shapes in there for the snout. And I'm going at 2.5 times the speed here. And I am working with just a kid's school pencil crayon. I picked them up at garage sales and thrift stores. And they are a great sketching tool because I use a lot for sketching and I don't want to use my good expensive art pencils for that. So I use what I can. Just some suggestions of fur along the way. You notice I'm really not drawing fur. I'm just drawing the suggestion of fur. We know it's a cat, and we know cats are fluffy. I wasn't happy with those eyes, so I thought I'd fix them up a bit. You'll see me fix them a couple more times here too. It's really a learning stage. All drawing is a learning stage. But the initial drawing of each different pose or subject is, the learning is phenomenal. Now I'm sped up here to 6 times the speed. I'm going to finish things up. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world, or just chat. Whatever you want to talk about. And we'll just get a suggestion of her markings here. I'm not worrying about them being exactly perfect as long as it does look like her. And if I were drawing a cat that I didn't know, I might change the markings a little more to go with the drawing, but I want this to be Shanty. And Shanty apparently in Hindi means an inner state of peace and calm. And that's why I chose that name. Plus it sounds nice. I just love her patch under her chin, or on her chin, I guess. Didn't like the face too much. It didn't really look like her, so I kind of changed a few lines, and just a slight change in a line on the face can really change the expression, and you can play with it. You know, that's what cartoonists do. Some extra wiggle lines within the patches and stuff. Thank you so much for watching today. See you next time.